not just an academic math equation. It represents a core financial value. It mathematically balances ordering costs against holding costs by committing to date, driving EOQ optimization rather than guessing or gut feelings. We fulfill our ethical duty to protect shareholder capital from the warehouse obsolescence while maintaining steady supply integrity. Now let us talk about professional receivable management. The second pipeline we must safeguard is our receivable. Right now, Chahaya Barhad is treating credit terms too casually, loosening credit terms just to inflate our paper sales figures is an irresponsible tactic that threatens our solvency. We value credit integrity. Moving forward, we are implementing rigorous credit screening protocols for our local distributors as a sale is legally meaningless until the cash is safely in our bank account. We will introduce disciplined credit terms appropriate for the Malaysian market using early payment incentives to accelerate collections while maintaining corporate body and goodwill with our long-term clients. Now let us look at how we finance our remaining short-term operational needs. We have evaluated aggressive, conservative and maturity matching strategies. We strongly value the maturity matching approach MMA as the only sustainable path for Chahaya Barhad. An aggressive strategy relies heavily on highly volatile bank overdrafts to fund permanent assets. In an environment where BNM can adjust monetary policy, an aggressive strategy leaves us completely exposed to sudden interest spikes. Funding short-term seasonal assets with short-term liabilities ensures we maintain our natural financial cushion. And then project cash sustainability. If the board approves our working capital restructuring today, this is our projected cash trajectory over the next fiscal year. By systematically shrinking our cash conversion cycle and enforcing EOQ discipline, we will shift Chahaya Barhad from a cash-starved crisis state to a self-sustaining growth loop. The cash generated internally will fund our operations, completely eliminating our need to look for costly long-term plans as leveraging local banking strength. Furthermore, optimizing our working capital directly improves our corporate credit health. When tier 1 Malaysian financial institutions such as Maybank, CIMB and RHB see that Chahaya Barhad has a lean CCC, a healthy current ratio and tight internal controls, our credit rating improves. Maintaining professional transparency with our banks ensure that if we even face a macro crisis, these institutions will gladly back us with highly competitive credit lines because they trust our management. In conclusion, Chahaya Barhad's problem is not a lack of profits, it is trapped capital. By valuing operational efficiency, credit discipline, and maturity matching, we can unlock our own cash and generate our corporate sustainability. We now open the floor to the board of directors for ask any questions. So thank you very much. I hope the whole presentation will assist